Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to our camera while using our power button. So if we want our power button to have a shortcut to our camera, ignore my phone please, we have to go to advanced features, and here we have side button options. For example, if we double press our power button, now it will launch a camera. Let's back out and let's see if it works. Our power button is here, double tap, 1, 2, and we have our camera. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.